ungasifesesa uri problem ive ngapi vana vavalela na zvino ri so njelele ari tori besides njelele artists njelele adzibukiwi side za Thando
oh yeah ndono sifazwa kwambiwa zvo blend
ende
rikadzidamba ngazvo ezvo because I know ri hapalani utonga una ndwanyana bukati ya njelele na Thando
natifesesi njelele mara inu na mutu
njelele utobori ndingari mini aina chitu chibuya neti diveri chitu na chitu chibuya why uchipinda London ngevitoro
London tibazidwa chimwe na chimwe ndione chitoma nefala
vana vasho ngozvibona izvino rako I'm sure neriko ni prove lori zvacho zvitoma ngange zvaguma ningedzisi yomwe petu
no rine mara usumbezo uri mjere London that's why risa mind ubiza mumwe na mumwe ari ofi ubiza artist sangange dzote for nicheke na collaboration kanje artists zanjelele the easy accessible ngamanda compared to the Thando
mara urinchise uri kamsima out ya Thando ni masele basera so ni abatoda vatu vathando avani todi vanjelele
ngachipinga cha zvino ya
siyamuri zvikuitia sorry
ngachipinga cha zvino mara chipinga cherine navo rine rava rikapiki ara rikwamba zosadi around
2014
16 njere yove ikapiki zvezvino chiwina vo CJ dzichima namina adhavina vo Cash mazako zako namini zinyimbo zezvinotsova njere yove ikapiki mara samind still
nani kodi feature vana vangangeyo
mumwe na mumwe auna muthu wa side ya Thando asaperformawo pethu nga mandisi nakasiyanga ngemudimini nandichihosta village shutdown artists zote man
dzichida
auna artist nantisi ngodawo but bodi vamudimiri ngane the artist I'm sure nine ndo Saudi vamudimiri
ndonobva kwambiwa ngozana mabhasi akotaka afa amudimiri
zvino
amashamba zvaso
amara zvino amudimiri ndimudimiri side chingani kwa Messina
asingeima tsine urina masikwa bricks
masiko birisi masaekwa
if masaekwa
ni masaekwa badane volosina enwane
ndiko yene pala
nichitotuwa strand chingani kwa Messina una khona yori njerere dam
shambori ndikule
na ku gravel nyana na chena ngomungani nge china chigontere ngango mushango chawo mara nganda
auna chetu ne
so
anyways guys, welcome to another episode of the Black Couch. Namsiro ndisira mtwane vana vanendikaida vakupusha niazozore music video yaVenda ti I feel like I always speak about it so urambori hey nendifuna muzika angeva vana music video because yaitori ndimene kunyangovona ndikona creativity ndinofuna zva visual so nakamloni bei vatu vane rotomoni bona kadzi music video kale ange probably zvaana kweza 2016 nerisa tozvikona kamuzi nami so ndikazona zore hati ndiye ya ndotomoifuna nepala nami so ndodana mtwane ndikale akazva visual nami but then anokamba zori nibva mudimeri but then before it yakezo ti I wanted to ask about your name man uri inini muVenda like Radebe like narisa kutopfese zori umnando wagaye
mukala neso zangu complicated
I don't complicate rule
okay time yanga ndiya Radebe mara ngori yarusu Radebe but kotsi
Radebe kana Radebe
Radebe ni yezulu ari mara yazulu makulu anga ndi mzulu straight onva nkanda
nambona nina maropa azuma
ne
kind of so straight
so vada vashuma zvezoshuma ngamataraka vachivira vadhiwana mukegulu ngane fasadi dza Messina atodiva history full oroita yani mara
orati muzori kutanganisani
mukala volova nne ndichemutuku vadhiwana ndinavo 14 12 13 14 around aningei vachirova but ndivati votangana nefa voMessina ninge mabrasini varusa mukala throughout avori ukwaluwa Venda mukegulu navone vakwamba chiVenda rothe raluwa kotsi yanga valuwa vamba chiVenda natiwenda fokotsi yanga vakomba imwe language ngandana chiVenda
ndamona chizulu vaniwe na vafana
duva naliti mara mukala ndichemutuku mukala ndava vachiamba chizulu makulu anga then already ndi muVenda straight family yothe already ndiva netawani so ndiva Venda straight so nane ndoula ndi muVenda khadeve siko to voria
so zhambo rini zvavudi udi renga rini muzulu ti razviamba
yeah zvone ni wera kama zulu
ngasini ngori first Zulu man on the podcast
ravamti mkulu
yeah
to ri chikoni mande chipa
yani ndingamwana mumwe nepa
ati zvinondochelesa Pitori so
mara Pitori ndingasi kuti chizulu ndichivenda nge chizulu
ndikudapa namba chipitori ngangeno ndotoshuma ndoshuma kale ngapa
nokuita mingangena
ndikuita intern Department of Education nepapa Omonde
noita ntu noita kudididzi
ndarotojena kha izvezvo sikuaplya namudzijeniswa kaadmin yaHR ndava ndikushuma maranga performance management ini yavadededzi but nendoita IT utova zvivila nichibva chikoro nasikuaplya uchivizi intern zaota zinjinji
nakuaplya or ndijene ndiwane something
nambodhiso kuti it was interview I think ndizazi interviews nosvika 6 and zvotondojiyo ndasikuchuza mara ndikuchuza
ndisikunochuza based on what salary kana or
salary yevinti ngori salary za internship za government achishuma ngori arani na diploma national diploma ndana achipinge chilani national diploma rari kuhola 3500 aranoita zvezvi za FET then in 2000 kana bugai mara ya FET ndova nikuita 18 months rineroita 12 months only then yeah.
And then is it a thing for what wait on the IT uri wapedze unovhura zvistudio I mean because unondodhora uchimanga dzicomputer because unonozvirealize
I think but unoita IT munji yava creative it's either ndovana nika zvezvo zva media zva film kana nikuita music kana nikuita dzibeats ngamuraho whatever but somewhere around ndova ngushumana something that has to do with technology
the computer also
ndizvezvo necomputer so I think ndo creativity unobva kamutu IT nyaka mutu enavo uri mumburo ni curious too much ma
ninyakosikutoasandorichitwa nangovudzisa uri apa pito zvino apa ndikori raoli holo ramunaina ni curious white wona
ndichiva ndikovona ndikuzamufesesa ndona avana ndikufanganirira uchinge una mungu ngamurawo na vathu vanokuamba maybe ungandipi too hulu bad so on
yeah and then back to amdimeri ti apera rotoma one so arembe ngori like amdimeri no odani shape isani ni samutu like ni mzulu then also nikwarwa na watu okay ari mvenda mara beats nikwarwa na watu nkamudi petu ndi kule so probably unexposed na suzvinji mara nono mamtu wa muzika so lazone expose sani udzura amdimeri ka muzika
hey I think amdimeri zongitora ndidive buvenda because if it was not for amdimeri amdimeri ndodzura usvika ndina 12 years bedzi
so time ichirova nomudhi muvha
no holova makhulu anga time ikadhiva
apa njiri mukala volova nendikoramba time
ndikoma mukala makhulu
okay ini haya noniri mbibi oledi ndimini ndi mkegulu
mianga ndi mianga
anovi mkegulu
maoledi ngori mini mianga miyavo vachaona so makhulu anga I think vanova 85 86 87 aninge
makhulu anga 85
makhulu anga 85 years
zvambori miyano vanova 60 enepa
yes
makes so vofara kugaina musi ndibirthday yavo actually
nendofara mianga ngori mianga
ndibirthday yamianga
ati ndizozori ngojena ka WhatsApp group na wanori haya nomwe nomwe post happy birthday na inaskopo ndienda tiamwa birthday mianga na yanga tsina tsi mianga bufara bugai mianga I think 59 yeah because ngasibe
6 next year wakutu
6 rador kwaita
akuba pension
ndi 59
do you think it was planned or kamisi vakunya go wanantu na birthday inofana yanzo ndito bala bonga nature ati and ngori nazina langa tiwenda vakusanga lori wai ndichifimba valero uringa ndirade na maduva zvotova tsini almost ndova nga duva lavo so ati venda dhiva noti so nanikadhiamba nga mudhimeri uri noshepiswa hani
hamudhimeri that's wandikorera ungitori onshape uri ndidhive vuvenda ngori tino ndimayani apa mudhimeri ndikasi namudhagasi wodha ndonotuwa namudhimeri chava mudhimeri I think wodha 2004 mudhagasi amudhimeri
ndausitoriliwonevo
ndausitoridziona zvazvino zakaikoliwa
ndivei unoumira yani zvino
ndori utovori vathu tizvino ndoaluwa ngamudhimeri chimwe na chimwe ndadhiva vuvenda vamutukana zvezvi udhiva zvithu zvamayani zvothe ngamudhimeri mara ndichiya high school 2002 ndo mbo ḓi
Yes, school 2002.
2002 nda ndi
Nenda zatu dzhena na crash.
Really growth man.
Ndo zana makhulu ya ukuma na musi hapo.
So ndo ya Royal Louis nga 2001 nne nda khou dzhena boarding school mara tshi kono vhuya nda kono ya Louis. Since ndo tshilesa life yanga Louis dana Mdimini. Mara Mdimini that's why ndi tshiri u ḓivha vhuvenḓa. Ngori thi ngo ita na Tshivenḓa na tshikoloni. Ndo ita English na Afrikaans. So throughout uri tshiṅwe na tshiṅwe tshine nda tshi ḓivha na fa ni khou imba nga life ya Tshivenḓa na mini zwezwi tshaka ndi nga nṱhani ha Mdimini.
Zviamba hauni pata blend for Venrap. Also because that's
if it was not for that I don't think uri na Venrap nda ḓo ita.
Jamana nda njima sa Mick J nga tshikhuwa.
Vo Mick J funny enough na vhone ro ḓivha Louis. Ndi tshi khou producer vhaṅwe kana vhe vha tshimba navho. Ndo na producer Mick J mara acho mtukana mtuku I think 2007 2006.
Okay, and then ukhamba so zori ya yoni shape na mina thoma muzika aninge. So what do you think of a lot vhane vha shumisela zori nṋe ndi bva zwishangoni zwa kule sa scapegoat rai nṋe ndi nga si kona u phumelela ndila zwi rari khamba vhathu vhathu vha Thohoyandou vha vha ḓo zori okay rine everything is there. Silver plate i khou ḓa ya raniwa yona mara vhe when khou thoma fhasi from scratch tshifhinga tshoṱhe. So what do you have to say about vhathu vhane vha shumisela zori rine ri vhanzhelele ahuna rine ra nga ita
na man maybe it's over excuse nowadays I think it's over kha hasile ya muthu no ḓivhudza swika gai anything is possible whether nikova shangoni angikho yufinyi matho. Who would have thought Mathore atambe ka
Chiefs.
Shangoni ngangi pasi
kosi. Amara ina asawatando.
Masisi. Samwe ngani ngeona zindawo za chimbila nyanza na Krug. So na ndi feel longa to excuse. Chona chimo possible man. It doesn't matter on the especially in South Africa. Anything is possible in South Africa. It's just a matter of munene explore creativity yanu. Nisa opi wamba na watu. That's the only thing. Na opa unachelesha dovele. Uzwa.
So result yapana guys you have the ndiyata tichihanga zori hapo ni vari sponsored everything. So our first sponsor is always Nenda Zeramba. We're proudly sponsored by Panda Studios. When they give us the studio chimona ching. If you guys want to do live streaming the videos you want to do podcasting you want to whether you're in studio or outside you can contact them but vanitira chimwana chimwe the number is 0100232939 or info@pandastudios.com. And then if you nyakotodda anepo office na the vangovona zviyani is 38 Mele Street. And then to our big sponsor also chinero chiwana this year rekupusha nacho zvino MR21 vaneva provide all the funeral services insurance. So do contact them also. Number zavo ndi 0151510251 or 0252 kana nivafoneni ka 24/7 cell phone number ini ava 0615090775 kana nivadhalele navo nechikudini ePeace Car Wash Complex hani pala opposite ari khotso zikhulu then the one MR21 true respect. So back to you man ndanyangobusala zori you went to Louis iti zvazi kuchimira zvavo I'm sure na high school na kodirwanga English so vatu vane vadhiva chikhuwa si so why not decide to renend though and imbanga Chivenḓa and so continue ngachikhuwa for like more audience because that's what people say or na itani zvino ngachikhuwa ndo vana vatu vanji because that's what people say also to me.
Ne ngachikhuwa ndi filonga zwa zwi easy but nda filonga ni tshi kuimba ngachikhuwa I feel like I'm going to uncha something from within.
True.
Ni kuita ngachikhuwa asifani na mse ndikhamba ngachivenḓa sifana na zwino rikhamba so if nanga ndikhodzamo the feminine the express ngachikhuwa I can but it's not going to be the same mse ndikhozuyamba ngachivenḓa
stongo rabela
stongo mse ndikho rabela majority ya vhathu awuna muthu no rabela ngachikhuwa fully
unless nisina mathada
unless ngosokoto rabela uri is our father God bless and so on just to because bona mara na suni serious nikhoto nyongoro zve from within
ndishimisa lwambo nina umbulangalo
thina Mandela bozuyamba I think there's a quote ya Mandela somewhere ori ara nikhonyago amba na muthu uri anifesese fully amba ninga madathangi yawo because it goes to the soul.
Exactly. So you guys you get it now why na ne rikupusha ngachivenḓa na mimi rinyangobvisa zvoṱhe zviri kharimi ngangomgo so and then hamdimeli zvapira and then now there's like this Fizzy 2 Feb I know Duma. When did you know or kana when were you aware uri vhathu vakumudhiva uri muna wona ukupusha zvakuma
ngori ndandisaimbi for the longest time ndachitova kaproduction
so not mango producer before nichiva uimba
before ndichiyotoma noimba I think from high school ndakutoshuma ngoproducer vavaone vafetu vavenrap Lois vomake j achikadhefe rich
otomachivinyi
rich I think akojana warschool Lois une Korean metaphor achimba nawo zvozvi ndisikoproducer bobit yaipopo na house for dzimwe dzeoutinyana dzaaround nepala ndichida varsity Pretoria ndatangana na cash flow ndatangana winter school chitozomwara zvidzi raps nyana dzavo Eminem achitorusa mara chidhapa Pretoria nanditi no ndina beats cash flow jana na SK una mumwe murikana unofi SK Village Boss vavachimba nenkatufeb nendichitangana navo ndatumova producer era vavaviri vaita group nyana saifetu chiri 2012 nendiri no man irana nendisikodzama ndivakeshi vakokombeshedza ristudio avasokoimba ndasokoimba ndasokovanga zvikuita ngorojenisana dziototuni ubva nepala ndavori ndandisina zina for some reason nanamusi I still don't know uri ngandiraḓo uri dzina la Fizi lisvika ngori lachisikotovha Fizi lachifi DJ Fizi
lone lobva gai lone line
that's why nane mune atizvifesesi
like nosokovona ndifi DJ Fizi
ngori nana chidivisa uri wadzini ngori ndifi wadel zina langa lachikuru ndisikuri wadzini mara navona kuimba alikoita for some reason ndosikotovana uri Fizi atidhivi zori hani hani ndikandadana ziexplanation ndidhava ndikuzvipa
because ndachikutomumbura dzicold drink
vamwe vakombura dzilolipop fispop uri tanga ndachifuna zifispop something like that then just happens ndatomoimba mara it was still not landing until richichange rafi 2 feb ri 3 nana cash na SK mara uri zvithu zvitova sharp for venrap regenerate venrap it was because of Mizo achifeaturana navo rine kalomorofi a girl like you na Money Talks. It was 2012.
I think I know Money Talks. A girl like you to do a show.
Both of them, rather, I think it was recorded the same day on the Pitor ISK. The recorder. Yeah, from then, avakuita zvozvilo zvauniswa namagenge. Nenda ndichikonoita chiwebsite. Ana chimwe chiwebsite.
Ngonoita IT food. Naona nikova roba wala vanda. Ngompa feature ndadia website.
So but zvozvila chisikosenda dzinyimbo nandichisenda dzihuku ri kuita Mizo scorecorder navanhu vachirecorda vakodhi vanavo double FLR vobhamba RSR ecrew yoyo dhala dzavobodhala vomanana voukidi mara zvasvichi high school vafetu vavalavoda then riradziita kawebsite ilani ritomoita Uniswa volume 1 Uniswa volume 2 throughout zvatomo ujenere mara dzina Fizi asatutova
all I'm trying to
uone mara rava kuzidiva zori na 2 feb I think nefone uri vathu vatozmuziva uri ndione nemusi ndichidhoropa Tucson
nina bamba
ndikamanyisa records
nanikamanyisa nini zvitoro zvamanyisa nizvone razvopfi dzirights wajiya mini zvo zvaso
I think ngori achidiva music nerisadhivi music at the time
so achikonirwa mumbulo
nefone chine ndakatori ndikasitora ungidima that's why ndozviisha zviso it was publishing album yange leyo tomo cause ndandikhalabel enile yamanyisa
album yatuma auyo
yapanoshango ngori nendichiita ile album utoshava uzvipa ndasadhivi uri distribution okay printer CDs quality mastering ndikuita guy uregistera samra zvote nditwamanyisa zvote uri ndichisenda nyimbo radioni ndisenda kanyi nditisahani zvote so zori odiya vamwe ngazidive nevarafone yoditova publishing yenela album I think richi separate it was because ori nandikufila I was doing too much for label ya Manyisa Records because sizondonga bobhamba masindi BTL ya overthrown
yetwa ngaini
angitwa ngani yetwa nga DJ Festival mara nendoifonga muntu kanofitted age masindi panoshangoni yanga na imwe track inofi PDP CJ inge bo4 hobo ndakuseni omphazi beat za 4 namo the GL ngori CJ vakamanyisa bamba vakamanyisa na nende kamanyisa records namo the fa bambelani beat ya masindi ya masindi nenda shumiselani yanga ndanoita panoshangoni ndambo ḓi ita ndakuseni ri khou ita album yanga CJ ne na ita kha album yawe but so many things zwo nonga u mastera u mixa dzi track dza dzi artists dza Manyisa Records vho Manana meta na beat but tshelede u tshi vhuya murahu khou fika to share throughout vhathu vhoṱhe na label nda swela uri na
ndi khou tea u ṱuwa
zwi nga si ite
ndi afho ene na thoma 2 Feb kana
ai 2 Feb yo no vha hone 2 Feb it's just that uri nenda no to va solo ngori na CJ tu over 2 Feb ndi 2 Feb bo nne cash CJ eraro dala I think ra jela bo 6 or 7 mara muthu over solo mathomo ndi CJ na kona to vela another cash akona danye yeah I think I never bo Jinkon but the late I think ra nova kha bo Manyisa Records na mini
then ndi yanyi 2 Feb
ndiyanga
then why ini ndikova
kana ndandi khou to va solo ri ndi tshava on a group ngori mathomo ni ra chita dzinyimbo as a group
ndito zwa tshi obvious uri una cash flow teva una fee
i tshi to vha like a group straight yori 2 Feb ndi group in Chaz Music as a group but then it's 2013 ya wana usina na dzichelede ninga share ni 6 night a show ngoto share ni 6 night sani yani
and then ngazipfume yapi
kuzibona so ndamudhiva solo ndo shoma nga CJ ngori CJ ni chomitela album na achi wina chima nga 2013 throughout album ilani yayo wina ngayo danda vona uri ai it's doable
waya na zvitshele kha ila nthu win ya chima
ngori CJ asathu to diviwa that much
in Nermin Palace nazo ngobvisa dzi flop bewe
for album na feel like musical wise raso ngobvisa flop I think chichava chione ndicho uri CJ as ko diviwa Vendalot achi to uri u diwonjelele
so wanjele probably ba vote
and numbulo ri that's why ndi feel uri njele ina ndichi finjele ndi London itonga I powerhouse bathu banjele ba support
like support
but wathando
repeat on what to attend and what not to
because one but renenjelele if arala physio do manjele ukho support nganjele yote CJ do manjele u support nganjele yote that's what no win and number bathu no vote basa vote at that time rine kanjiso zwinjera chikono win
zoko fimizo blind basi vote
because one but vasikutotagara vasiko expect uri Mizo the winner because of Mizo is good obviously mwana mwazi the Mizo is good but if rasam support aunona they are on because one rapu support angosikuhamba fedzi asitusi chitu
do you think that's what we are doing maybe in terms of his career
not really I feel like you're not supporter enough
because I've heard people say Mizo wako wana support or hey mini
no
then now you just said that statement you're not supporter enough
at that time but who was supporting money wise vasito support ka social media na that's why nwana venza nga December ingwana wana usina vhathu mara vhathu vakuzuyamba social media mwana mwe ri ku amba re tsiko do vuyesa na mina
mara wasina vhathu shika
muthu na savuwe na ri ndiko uya shona no vote right now I feel like rino musupportesa chosala ndi I think these moves zawe ne mona I think if anything is going wrong with the top management or any munezi decisions zawo I don't think or ndinganthani abantu una mafene manje ngamamanga
do you think management oyema mthupanda because you're not the first person to say this and probably not the second washiko dapo ambor no Mizo zwa sharp everything is there problem ingabe management ene mntu mtu angati wasazviboni kana mine I
feel like njere endobenda venda straight venda problem ina yabaone odalesa usikovea chitempe chori ndikasikotori mini kuti an example but it's not really uria ndikasikori rasikori ndipanda studio na panda studio umthu mthihi ena vori ndiyene na khorana camera zothe ndiyene na vori booking ndiyene futhi ena vori kuita booking ndiyene ndo va vori kuita podcast arisikuti je example wini panda studio ngodova na
so ndiko set up ndabenda ndadzula
na dova nambori abantu avakhonsupporta na mini that's because uri chimwe na chimwe chikuitwa ngaini anina team ine uri yo dedicate uri ndita hezwo ibona ngaka vathu ndanga vo Mizo na dzi artists nji za Venda that's the thing ngani kofi Marshall na Marshall behind Marshall we know Marshall is just a businessman investor behind Mizo unanyi thangu utoba na manager wawe but what else now no thangu sina PR or whatever it's just a stable now no sina PR usina mbotho ufindi hoindi engineer or mixer zwa Mizo ndo ndi graphic designer Mizo ondi mini
so team ito wane zvo zvitu right uri ve team yopelera ya ukuma
nito tendo ufimini ndo delegate uri nisungoita chimwe na chimwe aona muthu anadho femini master of whatever.
Yeah, jack of all trades. Yeah.
Yes, ningasizikoni. Even if nichizikona nichikona uri nyakona editor.
Ngasizvitenga kati.
Rather delegate it to muthu ena uri waita ndomusumbedzisa ukakoroki hapa izviteniso. Mara ula no focus akazvezvo. That's when ndokona wananderena kwaya kaya. So ndibanga ndiyone mistake ya vafili.
Yeah, hopefully I'm sure management work on it. So but they have about no mungo that chamangarini. So hopefully we need to change some things. So but then back to the song ya to Salina Bamba. Do you think that song nichiko record na Kidozori is going to be a big song kana veno to mangarino ska staratano yes strong roita zvimwe zvitwa petu.
Ndazomumbura at all. Cause nendishita ndo record flat ine mando skudidya. Then ndaisendera Manyisa. Isatupera Manyisa ara nkombura panganyira no ndikonyaka Bamba and Bamba was at his peak. Chimwe chamasindi utuma venda lot.
Yeah.
Bamba ranga chenisa verse up. Bamba nende chimusandera ifila no rendiye verse mbili.
And ni imba zvofana.
Nena Bamba rachishumutu diedzi huku mostly. Waimba was a rapper at least no rapper not fully in there.
Yeah.
But the combination yona ene muna obita verse mbili zotofelera then right. Idonga track ya Bamba. Rana ndi edenyana mafesero na verse yabuyilila and so on and so on. Yeah. But ichiva ichito ya radioni. I think not almost realize ndichifana yani but vachotoma mikolera radioni. Ayani vachoma phone hey harofa limbo lwawe ndo udhimini
godina radio.
Almost feel okay which means no farandira yona and back then rasaimba nyimbo zaso. Chito zezama yoyo.
Sama nigga that's the
name. Nyimbo zote zazichiwa zinyimbo zine ndozifori ndizi nyimbo za hone zine zakoyera vo US and I mean but even though because imwe chivenda but azinyimbo zazo chingaita chito mara hizvi ndakotomuvura ndira ya different
ndioni nendro fara
yona nafa album ila yotoma yote it's more about life issues and everything like that and follow up path ya Tuzana.
Yeah. And then also would you say na easy access no ya radio ni because I feel like zvino zvokona kana ukamsuka yotwa na rabadivi and we renera chindi uri naso ngodara futhi and rachi kono fozoro okay we rimbo lwa Bamba lwa Fizi lwa Bumizo kha radio mara zvito zvikokonera vathu zvino we nachikuita kan radio
no toshavo zvifu atidivi ngori natina ndika label ne muzika wanga uchiswa ngaManyisa.
Oh yeah.
Manyisa ene munhu timanyisa vachite zvilo zo promoter tiri vachipromoter This is two of the phone na chaka zezi zazi virgin matorora active.
That's niambe fast.
Nikomba fast.
Niambe fast. Amele ukuita zazi virgin. Active after.
Yeah. So Manyisa ndiye no abachitsapulukwane atoisa. Submit ene munhu CD achitohwara CD atoisa ene munhu. Ndori I think chachava chi easier or vathu va films kwa vorena na radio. Izvilo zvinona wanoti for CD njinji na make sure na presenter for CD yao. Or akuchijena goleni yao abakoididza. Compiler isare, library isare.
Songo compiler page.
Radio yote mumwe na mumwe abakufa muzika. At least zvipa influence yori ni presenter. Na ine gonoza mambo hayi ndikufa album ya Fizi yadi yanga manda. Warisadza muwana ulimbo luyani utambe radio something like that. Nowadays ndifilonga atizotodalesa.
Yeah. So zviyakonda minangiro munyaka mupiyoni kuri champion.
Yeah, arodalesa ngamanda. That's when I Fizi njinga move after 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Radio. Urukati apa but kana vakadairira namone bukati.
Yeah.
Arodalesa too much.
And then if ngori vathu vanodalesa soti and then also rari kamba ngori rwimbo lwa Tusani loya staratana mina hatanganana. So which one would you say is the most important kind? Nduri rwimbo lwa staratana lufanga to vanji kana runiterechede.
So zvino ndibonga rutoya staratani. Ruchia staratani ndono zvino zvaita internal zviita chelede. Because rwa staratani zvombo zvi raise demand. Yori namusi nichibukiwa vathu vanithode. Vanyagoni vona uri hey una vafizi nyimbo ya vafizi ila nini ngori arali ndasikoto focus akoririra radio we social media fizinda vakazo ndangori staratani madvantage ndi TikTok.
Yeah, obvious.
So ndahangwa
vathu pusha
ndahangwa ezo ningasite zaka ndizo zolindela zi distribution and the distribution ya
and then they said that song man rachirufuna I think tisho ndotomoni funa music video ya nongarona kana ngalo ya lungu na catch flow mara lwa ufinyina muneighbor nafuni ugayo la mwana naye
funira na I think last month uone ne fa tifuni fini ndisaore so kombore uba busy mara dinese la sore so
ngori solo aunofi mini nothing masolo
so ndikhomba uri tshifhinga ṱhaṅwe tshi a konḓa tsha uri I think ndo guma imba na funi nga mini ndo guma mrecorda for muṅwe onopfi Missy Fab oborine I think it was around COVID ever since so to imba tshifhinga tshawe tshi kumubalela
kila tshimwe no mwana ga like no dito
ndo mutevela
na tshi ḓo zori wa imba kana ndo ita nthu
raro no imba nayo ngori funi nga so ro ba ka Fab mara oba a closer to borini to evangelela
so ni ndi zori ningupushana nga chaveyo na veyo
to Fab ya evangelela to Fab ati zote za evangelela zote za to Fab so ro pusha nga manda ene mune ndo ḓi to vhona ngori ndi tshi voita muneighbor ndasiko feel uri muthu ene a vhora nga kono dzhenga ngori beat ela niyo be too much processor so ye ko ṱoḓa muthu ana voice strong futhi and ko ṱoḓa umsizana that's one of the gens funi.
And then don't you think that song was one of the big songs in your career? Nishto says I don't know how it did in terms of the Spotify. I mean, if you were on a kadzo, marindi bona suka YouTube kanji because I did see
it did because YouTube it was the first song it more than 200,000 and it come back before 2020 you generate almost 200,000 music video until you check your account yanga YouTube then by terminate just like that. That would over YouTube from scratch.
Oh, cause ndo icheka lingo duba. I think ina muroba ndani kunya kucheka niyo the rimbo.
You know ba
ika 30 something.
I was like, it had to start from scratch everything. Cause na cheka yako kichimirisana na True Love.
Ndi ndani kuyamba True Love.
That's kuchimirisana ngoro ndozincha around I think 2018.
Yeah, 18, 16, 17 ngani yeah.
17 in the True Love, then 18 ndancha Neighbor. Then I think yo pusha sangamanda but outdated arali vana vako heka
eshinga shiwa
ndo to zori True Love yes ngojeniswa kha YouTube channel yanga
ika
ya HB unola no shoot the video HB achishumisa HB media ngo change mara True Love ikadiva hone muneiba ndiyone atodova
so music video nachi vanhu kushuta ga okay maybe ndachi vanhu kufuna izo zori
kushuta masole
wamneighbor ndiro masolini because ola zvidhuni azvibona zvonga kompo
zvila zva masolini so angangena mara azuri apala nfuni but apala rotowana imwe utina yavori yaridiva rino then shoot mdina nefala
so process yo jena masolini na shoot na mini ihani na ini namba na management kana funi oita chimona chimwe
tini midhini falani midhini hauna problem asingange unanga zireseni nyana esibadela nge 1 million abastand so mara ngangera chitova family midini straight
and then ile nyimbo linanti la mwe message wa blend bad
neighbor
and then I realize yanapfana na mtu from the hood inena bakayo
ne ndoto byanda dharanga mu mzano unozora next door nane ngazizvo amana chenda chemtuku zilo ruimbo mana tatasuimba ngaye
ruimbo ndazindro do inspire ni visera ruimbo
ruimbo rosokoto na nyimbo rosokoto imba ruimbo rosokoto imba mara vhathu vanji va relate ngamanda ndikori vhathu vanji zviyaita Samson kwaluara runa musidzana wa next door crash kanji dzotoma around anepo ngori ndingotoma develop the feelings za mtukana kana za musidzana it's easier sumbusikona mazaita ngoni spend some time naona muthu aritsini that's why vhathu vanji vo favor or vhathu vanji vo fall in love ngamanda na neighbor towanisa devo rozvopesaka
ngotoma kudhaka
zvingenda
chitofuna ruimbo maybe katsi ndachiva ndikofuna na funi niko dzichipaona vachonakera ningoshuta nichiadaratana afela njiri chikosviyera also a voice wala mwana voice yabuda
ngamanda waimba she's one of the best vocalists tovori ene munevo music atotova fully into it.
I feel like you should like sort of like niambe na iniri arto dropa EP ya rufuno
ndibonga ingaita
I'm sure ingapusha
udova kuzvibona zvino utiri zvije serious anaka album
yake bafuse jeni wala twange
ati ndiwe ndikusombura uri
I feel lieutenant abaite vadeva vabvisent rukudinyaga voice yabo ndiyabo dingamana like she's very good man and then also warehouse nazinga music video like okay ndikudzidzibone dzilani mara no yanabvisa nyimbo njiti and music video that's called the short and I mean is it in terms of cost and I mean kana has to
obo the cost music video ndichandoita over atro music mara music video ndotoita kare ngora chitoita ya 2 favor bva zvezvilomura rachita mara wa sharp ndotoita ngamneighbor ndo thoma nga True Love
Yeah,
the Neighbor. Ubva Neighbor ndo ḓa nda ita zwa zwino vha Cashflow vho no vha na dzi equipment dzedzo u shoot a tshi vho thoma u focusa kha film. Ndi yone ndo ita hei nḓila ndi na Romeo na iṅwe ndi na Jinkon. But yeah, dzo shortesa ni khomba serious zwa serious because na nyimbo dzo no nga vho Madzakuzaku vho Tondani na vho Jinkon dzoṱhe dzina music video and those are one of the best songs that I write. But dzina music video I think it was Coast. But kana vha ḓura vha Venḓa man.
Zwakuma
Nga tshifhinga abe nombolo uri music video a wisi tshelede.
Oh.
Most of the time.
Yeah, wana zwino.
And arana ni kuita music video muthu ari khou ṱoḓa a soko tori for example ari khou ṱoḓa 8,000 uri wani ḓiva. 8,000 na Venḓa ni khou balelwa no bukwa nga 8,000 but kana ni tshi ri ngo ṱoḓa 5,000 a tshi lwa 9.
What were you rates last finger? Wewe mara.
Last finger. Rasi na fix the rate.
Madzajo gilima kwa uga.
Naraji wa kutamba from 3.5 2,500 4,000
no dora stipend
to almost 6,000 6,500. I think the biggest in the one and the Royal Garden Pizza.
Lin
2015.
How much was it?
No, 15.
Wait, then why watu vachita vachicomplain nga Royal Gardens kana vewe comes ningori nani sivanji so chedu yainji na divide aka vatu vatuku zvino comes bono rodaresa kazilena hapo. Because ngandreni watu vambangaiti you say they're getting like 5,000 6,000.
Nah, Royal Garden ya badela chuchi professional futhi. Na from all okay na zichima na zone but zichima ndi understand bakho book for only one song. If I go badela 5,000 and 6,000
which is something else.
Yeah,
not an attender event.
For one song. I'm not talking or nko dear set. But on pizza for one song. And ngaswinga zwezwilo. Ne Royal ndo thomo ya 2014.
Also no yana za multiple.
Ndo ya 2014 ngazwe zwilo zo fin artists ngovotelwa kapalapala batho vha votela. Ndamboḓiviziwa ndaye. That one it was not much. I think around 6,500 or something like that. Because no bakhala ina panda ndiso khala ina ndizwo zwori
na vhaṅwe
artist ine avori zwezwo phalaphala kuita competition. Ndabo nda voteliwa ndaviziwa. 2015 ndiyo nda robukiwa. Then ratoita ine.
Chambara nani impact ya serious before.
Yeah, ara ni chidiva luimbo lunofi Liwala Thanga kana
Udita Liwala Thanga na
lizaku zako Butondani it was around that time.
Una imwe futhi man ina part 2 Van Rap Legendaries nani yoneka
yini nani ndio yoneka
ndikali ngopusha efinga Van Rap Legendaries 1 na 2 nani kadzothe
zote
na wani kama zako
Mar Van Rap Legendaries ndisuza kale because Van Rap Legendaries yova before uchiva nezwi dzi beef za mumizo na za dzi no pay no show mini it was around 2016 I think,
which is it's like 9 years yothala in terms of music because if mtu akadiwa muzika wanu after 9 years just know ri anani kupusha zvakuma so ndikuzama zvibozori mtu ngachimwa chama zako
ngasunga zvezviro that's why na Royal yobza timangari rwaivombize chitile chiviri I think 2016 ndichiya futurwa vararu ndakoya na prefix but ndasungobhuka no prefix nenda ndikoto mudijera yeah because izvi chaka zvidini tingo perform ndato DJ nga murawo ine muna perform yeah
and then anytime soon abakoya va promise rwakani book futhi va Royal
artists zonodara zonizauri
yes awona ndema zako
zvino
kuyesa
but kana vakopusha ngeimwe ndira rune timangani nawo rasaviziwa
yeah ndiwafiwa ngati kana vanofunga vakopusha muzika wewe nani kopusha ndi vakopusha ngandira yona
nani wanga so far muthu ena voro chofara Van Rap uyera navo rine vo asati ngori vaita Van Rap even though achitoimba
naigomba zona uri laswo ndi Van Rap because vathu vamudira ya asi Van Rap mini
I think vathu vo baizisawo ndi vathu vo dilutawo meaning wa Van Rap around 2012 2013 arito 2012 crew ya vo Mizo vo Pesi vo Belafonte na mini ngori Van Rap yova around navo Killer G around chechela chipinga ufindi Van Rap
yiko repo zvakukuma
navo bomo akuto repiwa but uchiboda vo Belafonte erelani navo Pesi
baba kuimba
vasiko namba vazonyofi ndi va Van Rap
amudivera vo
Ramzio da after vorini chida vorine na vone ndikoimba Van Rap chida vo Ramzi chida vo MSK nana Mosi abe asatias asarap and asati minda umbona history ori oba rap ufana na vori nero zamo rap odito vori boya
zite zone
but ri nga soko ri ndi afropop zwine nṋe ra imba i ḓi tou vha uri ndi afropop ine ya vha uri ndi sound ya hone i yela to the nose fana na musi ri khou ri house ya vha heyi ya Likompo ndi house at the end of the day regardless
really
na ndi Likompo ndi house
ndi house
ndi dance music ti house ndi dance music
okay
so Likompo na mapiano zwoṱhe ndi house it's just that uri subgenre za hone mbedeba mapiano ya Likompo ya kona vha na dzi euro dzi rave na mini zwoṱhe ndi zwela kha house
na Venda piano I don't know if I can be
the piano mara zila ni says that uri vhathu soko ri Venda piano na zwi Venda piano ine normally u khou tea u tou vha u khou tou pfi ndi Tshivenḓa rap u khou tea u tou vha u khou tou rapiwa nga Tshivenḓa it's just that
nga musi ndi nga zwo na tshima tshi tori Tshivenḓa hip hop
tshima imo ḓeri Tshivenḓa hip hop which makes sense arali ku Tshivenḓa hip hop but nṋe ndi so na hip hop na tiwedi kha hip hop normal rine na vho asati JR player nene ha tsha tou rap ngori o vha u tshi tou zwa rap but u tou imba na mizo nayo u tou imba most of the times arali na mufa it's not rap.
What do you think of the new album ya Mizo? Rosa thomba nga yamo. Thomba nga ya Mizo.
No, honestly, the Filonga, it's a nice album. The problem is the structure.
What's wrong with the structure? Structure in terms of features?
I don't know. No, structure in terms of ningari disco Filonga yo mixesa nyimbo femini genre ngagomu. That's not called structure. If your structure is of itangu kunyo kuita focus ka house. Kana ri ku focus ka Ven rap kana ku focus ka Afrobeat also video is going to be okay Afrobeat nyana na Ven rap ya zikule na kule but ono jana nawo so nga ngomu zwi ya dilute
na Likompo ngori ndo fana makadza tshi khou dia Likompo nyana nga ngomu phala
so ndikari ndikho thetshelesa ndikho filela mulamboni ndi tshi vho ya nga nke ndavha ndi tshi pfa house to muthu wa house ndi to mu feel some type of way about the whole album uzobona yeah to mu change mood uzobona so yana ine ndi siko Filonga it's the album in there it's gonna grow into people ikoto nyanga chipinga
nepfela line is gonna grow into you guys. I've been saying or album is ataka so kono upfa guys ndo na wena diva lyrics do na duba ndo pfura yarwa the street
atungureta
alba structure and ndo chimza structure because last time ndo manga dzi feature dzo dala so kuita zwinji so yeah that's the answer in only if I know kupindulana nezwi and then also back to February number rano to banji na mina minti but then there's this relationship in na cash flow urila relationship yo bvaga ngandira no faranga like so many people have came and then ba pandekanya but then you guys are still there
cash ndo so ndo mdiva winter school 2007 yeah ndiyo nena mdiva hone ro thoma then ra dovha ra tangana college oro jana Rosebank College Pitori ndichi Rose as mngani wanga to tangana winter school sina na phone number but ndichi chito ya Rosebank ku tangana va cash va cha hona nephala va Rosebank va khoita web development
which is related to IT also yeah
ndi IT nena vore nena ri khoita business IT so richitangana ninge ndiyo nakumbudza uri ri kupusha avori SK nendo jana na khalazi yawo ena vano mufumakadzi wanga zwino so SK ojena
hey doi mardo dowlos
that's
no jana na SK no jana na khalazi ya
no jana khalazi SK
ino mara khalazi ya Brian
SK was mngani wanga
mara
yoto vora chitoimba rota over mngani wanga SK no fesa chitori cha ne SK uri ndi mudive ndasa mudive SK choto ifano suzitsa na SK ndasa mudive ndo da Rosebank College ndavori ndikuita business IT ndichijana river Venda think ra 3 or 4 unne na mukhaladzi ya SK na mwe mzano ndajana naye primary ndo ratangana
na licha primary na ndikunyanga wawe ndaimba naye
hola ndo chitomdiva ngora jana ro boarding school so SK hola ni ngori classini ari
ara ndo chisvikela ne dechita
chingasefa
archiveso
so nena ori khalazi ya SK zvezvi tino classini waambiwa nekumanga inoita music khalazi yangu waita music ndione ndichikono diva SK ndakono yanda fa SK dzi beats SK kono mini ndina imwe utenda jana na chikoloni oro jana ngweni njerera achiri imwe utiri kutanga ndinyi ndi cash flow hence na number scheme na ro 3 so then na SK na cash for music wise SK vha vho skima nga maanḓa na cash ngori vha bva tshikoloni tshithihi vho dzhena kilasini nthihi
iniwe muthu na no thoma mudala itsho tshifhinga ni khou ita zwa dzi music na SK
not really zwo ḓi tou vha zwifhinga zwi khou ya zwezwi ngori thi rali kilasini nthihi for 2 years yoṱhe rali khou dzhena kilasini nthihi zwezwo ngori ende ri vhavenḓa ni a zwi ḓivhi huṅwe na huṅwe na ḓa Joburg na vhane vhavenḓa na wana uri na
ni a farana
ni khou farana nga tshavheni zwino zwa zwi so
SK ari mini then a tshi khou pfha ino ya kakhaladzi yawe zwino
ri ngo ya ra ḽiṱwa ri khou ḽi amba ngori nṋe nda ndi si braya to that extent
yoriiko na ṱathu zingaṱani vhafumakadzi
zwa amba zwa vhasidzana thi humbuli na ḓuvha na ḽi tshi amba zwa vhasidzana na SK a thi zwi humbuli na luthihi I feel like nene muna a nga tou vha na problem nazwo ngori ndi muṱuku kha SK ende ndi muṱuku
ni khou zwiona zwa uri why a songo vha na thaidzo u tshe urwiwa hetsho tshifhinga ni muzulu so ni na dzibiti
ndi khou mu producera dzibiti so a si nga mbudze
ngo zwi vhona so huna zwinzhi zwe a khou benefita kha ini than ini ni khou benefita khaladzi yawe
so ro pusha but zwino vacation ndo ndo vha schema from there throughout suka zwino na musi ri tsha roṱhe
how long have you been married
Woma married nga mulayo.
Okay, not mo fana lini na mala lini. Olenga mini.
Fana kale. Ato ari ambe umalana ro malana. Ndi 2002. Ai 2022. Ni ndo ita uri vhomiya vhana vha ri na tsha ḓivha na dzi anniversary.
No, I'm sure ni khamba vhango vha muraho.
I think it's 2022.
And divorce comes only 2022.
2022. I think 2022 or 2020 somewhere there for God.
How's marriage mara? Ni artist ndri abibe nzwa ni busy. Wala mthu ko ni ṱoḓa nene.
Zwezwilani man ndo za mu balance in between. Arali u khou ḓa dzi tshelede ni tshi kho wana mungo buko nga tshelede zwi shavha. Ziyafesesa arali una tshelede zwi nga dina arali usina tshelede
and then back to relationship ya na cash flow na nyago busa zori ndi mini chine ina benefita kha chine wala benefita kha ini chine ndi pfonga chinga cho ni fara nacho
ngamba ba cash nane
because there's always that thing if vat vo farana uri ndi khou wana zwa so
I think the creativity because ba cash ba more stronger on the graphic side graphic arali ni khou amba flyer poster whatever na album cover yanga itwa nga ba cash
yes zwino
music video yanga ine hindi la mrawo ndi ba cash zote chona chonje graphic na film ndi ba cash ne zwino kha music na mani ko famze kwa ba cash ndi ne mixing nga mrawo some of the beats ndi bando ro hafha dzimwe dzi hook ndiko to dzi ita uri ndi wane kha nyi ndi bafhe something like maybe thangori beneficiary nga so relationship yasho
and then kha to febe bala to kana bo wafini Miss K na Jinkon baba ka yona bone because I feel like ndibone bangithone babo farana
na Jinkon ndiye na rikha kha to febe Miss K hayi Miss K ngobe yavuba kha to febe right umskima ngore aro tshila rotana na nendo no producera album yawe ila ni ndifyo perna dakaro
ngalaira na achinga kushuma mainini kana sasolo akushuma sasolo
sasolo ila music video ya mrawo khaela dayone ndo to mo producer nene I track you chose I think ne yonga ya kereke nyana ndine ndo producer onda do banda mixa everything
hey uno la music video tizori ndo cash flow na woshithwanganye ashiko fimina eva meske bakombona langa abambe naye
ndingamuimbela ndi HB ndi mthiyo ndiyena oshuthawo muneiba
uyu mtu ana relationship naye rune ningatomudzorera kenda bvisa album ya so komro chitola 20% ya music video
ine HB vechipinga sipawine zvazvino
vaokonda
na chipinga man vechb bashuma kana vashuma zvezva mudhagasi avawanali asi muthu wowanana
chidinja mboto vakufarafara
ndivone vene vavanga ngoma ndinoshuma na dzipower station aula muthu chipinga chakonda that's why maḓuvha ano na dzivideo nji nisatowana kupushesa dzi artists dza venḓa u recorda na chipinga chawe chilimited nga maanḓa
okay and then now to the reason you're here obviously mtu uti umvidza ngori odela ukaita mini uchiloni yawo zwino because right kuti mara ḓivha zwa murawo na uri ḓivhe kha zwithu zwa swikiswa hapo so let's talk about the new album ya Friends and Family like what inspired that name
Friends and Family ndakotoita follow up ya Lovers and Friends Lovers and Friends rasa tutova matured man ngofara 30 mfethu nganefa ngizama balance life music ngapha na hayani uri zwibe nga nḓila ni zama u sumbedza ngoni focus nga vhutshilo but then zwino tshifhinga zwino tshe Friends and Family ndi musi no cut out the unnecessary things munhu nonovha focused kha vutshilo ngo zwi vhona zwa zwino so that's why ndo tori friends ngori ndi khou zama u sumbedzisa uri kha vutshilo hanga sekele yanga ita uri ndi vhangana vhanga fhedzi na family yanga a thi swika kha level heiḽani uri ndo vha mukalaha ndi ri ndi family unga vha khotsi yashu na uri vhoṱhango vha focusa kha family fhedzi a vha iti zwa vhangana ndi vhathu vhahulwane so zwa zwino ndi kha ḓi tou vha kha friends that's when na magenge vho cash vho jinkone nda tshila navho na family yanga ndi arali ndi khou wana ṱoḓa fizi ndo mu ṱoḓa kha vhangana kana kha family that's the only thing so ya dovha ya kona u define dzinyimbo dzoṱhe dzi re nga ngoho
i khou dzi define nga nḓila ḓe
dzi relator na ndi uri tshiṅwe na tshiṅwe tshe nda tshi ṅwala nga ngomu hafhaḽani ndi vha ndi khou tshi wana either from muthu a re tsini wa family kana muthu a re tsini wa mungana
so ndi la zwine ni tshi ṅwala luimbo ni vha ni khou ṅwala zwine zwi khou itea around you
yes
and then vhathu then a vha ḓi kha ini vha amba uri hei muna i ni tshi vho amba tshiṱori tshanga tshine nda ni vhudza vho ro tshila za magita ni tshi vho tshi amba kha dzinyimbo no tou tshintsha dzina
na but si zwino athi ambi dzina ndi tshi imba ndi vha ndi khou imba nga dzina ḽa muthu vhathu vhanzhi futhi vha vha inspired ngori vhanzhi ni to mupfa muthu a tshi khou amba holuya luimbo mana to amba na nne ndi nga si mu vhudza uri ndo ṅwana nga nṱhani ha ini mara somewhere around ni ya kona for uri luimbo lu ya relate lu to relate directly na nne but yeah liga langa luimbo luno ludia ndi zwine nda vhudziwa zwone mostly but zwo uri muthu a ngungulera thu vhuya nda fa muthu a kungungulera throughout
and then also na ndira ri khou amba nga zwa dzi genre uri hu na venrap afro what ino ni zwino ndi mini genre ya hone
a thi zwino ngori ro dilute venrap nṋe ndi soko uri ndi venrap but nṋe ndi soko feel ngo ndi afro pop ndi pop zwine nṋe na vha ri khou imba zwone it's just that uri ngori ri tshi ita nga tshi african obviously it's special scope ndi afro pop
so kaini a huna ḽa zwo pfhi no mixa dzi genre nga ngona because nda ndi khou ipfa mulovha mara thi ngo i fhedza so a huna ni a ḓo swika na ri ngei phanḓa kha musi na no panga zwiṅwenyana zwo ri vho kha musi ḓi dzhia dziṅwe dzi audience huṅwe from vhaṅwe vhathu
na nga tou vha track nthihi ni leyo no fhedzisela na ni gai ngori ndi hip hop ngori a thi ngo nṋe no rap a thi ngo rapa a thi ngo ndo to imba huku fhedzi a rapa Catchlo na Jinkona na ni gai ngori nda khou nyaga uri i ambe nga zwezwo uri around 2012 2013 vhathu na ni gai when it comes to van rap ri khou kona u hala vhathu vho no nga vho Mizo vho Tim and Gavini vho Killer G vho Daviki and everyone who are present around that time so ndi yone ine na nga tou ri i out na ifhio track yeah the others ni nga tou ri afrobeat nyana yonga ine yo thoma track number 1 inga ina afrobeat but
difference between afrobeat na afropop ni
afrobeat ina vhu dance nga ngomu ndi khomba na dzi drums za hone dzi tshi ita ni ya kona dzi for sequence ya hone yani I
find na drum ya Africa zwa vhuḓi
I find na afropop is straightforward I ḓi tou vha u tonga ni khou tou dia the 1-2 step straight you mean I khoni straightforward I shumesa nga melody mara afrobeat yone ina bass ya dovha vha na kick ya hone ya afrobeat ni ya kona ifa sequence ya afrobeat beside na muthu a zathu imba beat ni ya kona for hand ya afrobeat
and then they release nga dzi 17 yeah they may and then also like so just after a week now ngo pfonga ikuitisana in terms of numbers streams all those things
so far ndiko feel nga iko pusha nga ndira but not nga ndira ndo expect ngayo but so far I feel nga iko to gonya so kha vhathu because the more every day goes ngwana thangwe wana bo 2000 streams I think those unit aka bo 8000 9000 streams or so ndikhomba so namusi ndichicheka I think namusi aka 9000 yeah 9 or so rune yeah but ndiko feel nga I sharp to surround to ndiche the visuals
then yeah ndapo ne raje naona hapo aka visual ne ari ninga divana ka visual anti ne ndo panga 1000 views ene ngora ne ndabone
ni shuma ga YouTube so
yeah respective
goes on so ndibona ngani zwone zwine nda vho boost ine nda vho ndiko tea u pushesa zwino ndi visuals then we isa phanḓa uri momentum usungowa udzule ukho gonya ngori ukho gonya throughout since feedback I proper throughout everyone mwana muwe asko expecta ngori ndikale tindo ku drop album since 2019
yeah
throughout abantu ko drop dzi mixtape na mini but zwa zwino vhathu vanji vha vhukhoso thango vhaṅwe vha khou feel nga vhafizi vhaḓintshizwana nga tshifhinga tshezwo
nga dzi adova zwino vha pfa ikwambiwa because also I've seen people posting about it also on social media do you pay those people
nah
kana ndi tambore mjita iningere so ne ndiko push album don't to sabo we promoter so
zwino ndizwo zila muṅwe ndi to humbela I think muthu enda vhona ndo to amba ndi yono uyo ufinye uyo wa dzi reaction
And okay Rasman Zain
with the guide
ndo njelele naye
hayi
avione
utongova Lois apa fika ichikota
ila side yotanganana ma
una njelele una Western ndione the divisions zine zabaone Venda na Western
I feel like mara vewe ni nothing ange
rine rinjelele
lori ndithando na vewe
Yo, mara njelele Western nani ikuzama zamupusha for now ngori not more than the club it is Western
ngani ndi kule baso vadoita zvavo ngachavo
it depends on kule na mini vari kule ndi vini wathando wapi
exactly and watu vaningonyanga rine wathando ngori ni riani korela arini support ti
na thando ya support irine
na feel like rine support man
muthu wena vori ngari osala uduma Venda njelele thaundi slender girl ndiene last person kabathu baso nonjelele I think uva said samarume
nofunga ufindi wavuwani kana
so slender girl hayi unless
it's your demos na neti sure ubagaye
titwani unongova marume
but wazongo quote up
nonjelele slender girl
at least na something
ndiene na vori last person na vori over pick at least nyana
na last year ya royal so jambo at least we could represent
no but at least rodala asumthu mthi and njelele bukana muthu na vori hawukapiki as long as we know you do music Mandis in the performer, Kwamix in the performer, Newest in the performer, everywhere throughout.
So also the one that this other post, I think it was on Instagram. New comes already. This album reflects on like adulthood, healing, a couple number of things. So now the biggest one in Indabana. What are you healing from?
Oh, come on,
because that's what you said.
No man, but you work on them and Charua.
So jambo ngopindwa ya healing adulthood hapo same time
walwazi kutovuya ngori nitangana na shu zwinji zwina vori nduri bathu vakori bona ri so vasikotovona nga chimwe na chimwe chi number 1 but behind muthu ene mune ri vari khorona zi demons inji dzine na vori ya but at least ukona uva iwe mune
mademon ha
no ndikhomba aluwa ndi mishumo ngapha ndi dzi finance marriage life yangolata nayo
in just 3 years ngona buse
no ndikotoambori aingotolata the way ne vathu vasikotovona nga ya vathu valoni vachindibudza uri yanini ready vavakhamba zvisu zvakuma
so inanisi ready
no nne ndi ready that's why na zvino ndicheshapo atina nati yazikuviya mpa problem kutoambori challenges zine ratangana nadzo ndidzone dzanokona uita uri ite album yadzanokaza so
how's your day like as a married man ngovuwa netelo ziliwa breakfast
unezo mufumakazi vuwa tamba tanza mwana ya mshumuni
nina mwana kuti
vangana ndingona mtibezi
ati vasari khamsi vaniko enjoy apena zvine narinezo uri kunyako jena kadzimira sokufonga amauti yaso
ndizva TV nezvila
mara vene ngazvichiri zvila zvitu in what is futi revona vo finyi take off akafana na Cardi B rachibona zi live dzavo vakodipina
that's why vasi vote all out ezvila zvinhu zviri zva TV ni man muthu udzivuwela dzitambela tanzwa mwana aitwa mwana muaya mshumuni navona nazvezvo chivuya
and then when vari meaning muzika wanu miyavana
miyavana avatova ndavana muzika very much ndivatwa TikTok
vazamba vanivona ka TikTok
asazvezvo valana pala but
baby bvisa luimbo
vatototangana nazvo karadhiyo nazvezvo vatisokutotangana nazvo kadzi YouTube ngori ini vazvivona but dziclipi dzari nga maanda
zambori ini vareta nopira ini miyavana
ngori vainiri more active than TikTok and orinengo but vomi vanhu zvamuzika zvazvivendi izvi hai ndivatimodziticheresa zigospel
unaizvo nditoita ndichibvisa rutivo at least
gospel konanga manda
gospel rimwe mandotodhoresa zvine muthu unozvimba naisa pana
nditova neinchundi nazvo zvamuzimu vorinengo hai rikusokotola nazvo
okay and then from the album which one would you say is the top 5 Ian Kale album so the best 33% album ina 15 songs right
ina 15 songs yeah no ndikari ndihappy ndina Kusta na Volcano Riafana ndina Sati ene yothoma bambam yanga na Uyani ndina chifinye VP Talking na Jinkona nepyo think nananiga ndiyo officer 3k tsona zinodakari yeah
and then I saw one in a metro also and none comes zori Yanu is like afropop na minti but then ayokusori ina metro asa kutorepa pala kana
akutorepa straight.
So what did that
no, that's because the beat the afrobeat,
so
it was easier for him.
It
was easier for him or a rap. Unaimwe futhi na prefix none, that one is just fan rap but none ya rap.
And then prefix ene no pusha na honey like
the pusha na ishkara man
Chi?
from 2014-15 yeah throughout until now
eno baseka to Feb mara
angu uyavova ka to Feb but ba mapati ngani ba Map City
mapati
ati there is on Map City na
yeah ndizvo vari kupusha anani nge yawe unafuna no wana dzina laona lamdimeli
eish mdimeli ale khawulezei
havana that plan I might please ro rona chigontiri might please ngasi make sense yeah and then also nani khamba zori okay ndi oimba fimini arepati so izvo azvipa like zvari kamangamizo ri kamisi ukonya kuitwa zvinji kana ini ngopfori iafrobeat as long as mutu other rapper in for rimbo album vechiudzira zvavudi consistent.
No, I think the difference between aritori yanga na yamizo kwamba ka structure yamizo ina I think ndiye zvilo zvine navori nina nyimbo nji za sharp dzine navori nedzifuna navori anikonyago dropa rather than namedi drop a collective. That's why thango nichongoona unazitrack edzo chill na imwe unonga akwemba namwe mzana akwemba zvabudi bad mzana one sharp then adovava na house adovava na dzimwe the afrobeat na mini and so on. And then mind you most of the songs are as boring. It's just that that's under structure chitori na mood wanu ndikotecheresa
ndikona tiena ma eyes
so sana nishato feel na ukutangana mini afa vitu kuzwa zvino kanne as much as ndina afrobeat but it's more like nduimba ndi van rap sound ya van rap ile nine bathu vadiva yona throughout consistent throughout until the end auna house auna full on hip hop ukati inatisa ngedo anyways thing ndizone difference you know urapa is a problem ka album na mizo ni mrap we expecting ur rap no imba is problem because we know mizo ko no imba that's nyimbo but if it goes left nange thangwe na zwe ndabona bathu bakugungula ngakugungula quality bakugungula mixing and whatsoever but that's just one of those things astopfu bozu ya dina but what matters ndiori structure cha album chimanga ndelade nori bathu bava kuime utechisa nyimbo nji 22 songs ndi nyimbo njinga
so that kamzi una hezvo
kama ndibonana zvezvo
zvinga zvikwa zviya but konjisvika na 12 mana nononeta that's why vadumuro kadwana imwe 10 yosarawo
that's why ndori in time chimwe chichiya ridodoera rikodo grow into it because the songs are not boring it's just uri thangwe dzodala ziyani zvitonga zvi ladara ikodroba kana odroba guy songs kana 25 kana ndibugai na Kelvin Momo dropa almost 25 songs the album vathu vathomo so feel it was not
akuita zvoni madzi vabudzi
mara azibori nyimbo zila as time goes by ndo dzifana dzifeel
and then also you mentioned the album ina ibisa zvino it's an album ine besides lazera comes adulthood na it's also something about appreciating what vane they've stood by you so I just wanted to know what vane vakuima nini in terms of what because also one person and I would assume rukuima na notoma dimi yavana and vane vakambora ava ka music na mean so do what vane comes vakuima nini in terms of music vakuni support all those things
no from family ndina Rothman yanga yan support Rothman yanga ka music fully on na baby wanga already yanga yatecheresa
ne
na radio ni chidira vadivori una number pio ndomfa kuita interview mini but ozdiva straight then nakabachitanga vaji una jinkona tidizo name divana
jinkona uno yora kumbanga
for music ndiye ndo
abe nani masela yebo saraza kunishikelera there's that ndio
no man so na jinkona ndiye nakari yanga ori namusa ri kuchuza uri okay ndita album tarakengana watu vasongoita tarake njinji vaita tarake so ndiyene nanga ri left right and center namusa ndi kuchuza zitarake ndiyene nanga ri that's why ndikatori ndiyakuya kunobalansa family and friends from Hotman yanga vababy navajinga navacash vene vavari kunsupport on the side when it comes to visuals na the graphics
and then apart from the mixtapes na minti so this is your fourth studio album so do you think it's going to top the first three?
It's hard to top the first one mostly even till today as much as Ngari Lovers and Friends your topper with numbers your fuka album izila zote but this one feel onga hey aim yanga ndo ndi fuke Lovers and Friends because classic wise ndikasi tope vutusani won't those ones are still gonna be forever.
Mara why la suzujini baleda veo like not for something chine rodarabe ya bar or this your bar now zino anchenya kuipfuka wako itempela vitu.
I think ndi ngarmini ndi dowela ati ni sathu ndowela delivery yanga ori yani nichithomo mpfa lo thoma it's always gonna be sifana artist ngwana imwe ndikari ndinyimuwe na uri big buddies you know venda even if raskor mizo for herkwambeza ngamizo mizo
na is big nimse usina bango bathu
mizo ni wanga ngadova fuka level ya muthu wangu
tikore
but not because uri the songs zinako zinchazi good and at best it's just that uri muthu wangu it was when resatu to mudowero mizo delivery yawe yani to what extent even though wabona nchazi nyimbo mara resatu to mudowera sorry angancha nyimbo to what extent fanana nendiso ndichincha bothusana wanta kuseni but basa diwo Fizzy on his own angatoncha suzahani mara zwa zwino ngorono no ndowela ndancha suzano nganta kuseni futhi ndofunga ndikomimika ndakuseni
true
but nancha something different and there
ziko bora olicha
ngasishike kanta kuseni ngazibona that's one thing nyakuthi uzicompare that much but the only thing you compare is the numbers base or zwa zwino the numbers ndiko aimore ndifuke ngor problem yanga ndori na bus nendiita beats kana cheka YouTube channel yanga the highest numbers
these
free beats in like 400 to almost 500,000 views aim yanga ndiyo uri ndikoti officer ndofuka that level nga music wanga straight nafuka phala then ndikakonori umzika ngo ukupusha.
Okay, and then you have two chimas and a lima, so do you think with this album you are getting one because zobu ya chima nazo zveni
chima I think I wouldn't mind or ndiwane another chima but for me I just hope ka coffee chima ingaita afro pop category
because ininchi bado andobara ka hip hop
ka music so ngezilo zwe basati baba kopangwa ona kana nika best hip hop or something arali yabe for one asati Prohidi Ramsey and whatsoever I'd be so happy even if I lose but I'm happy at least ndokona nominate wa category that matters for album yang na nominate wa best hip hop album last ndano nominate wa best hip hop album it didn't make sense Lovers and Friends so na nemune thama na ne mistake ndine ngori tindito nitongwana mara ubusina at category yanga imwe
awunothi other ni nangolo afrobeat comes within the category and bawana bangwa bathu
awuna other awunada afrobeat afropop to ba hone nga ngomu ngori venda ri hone o imba rodala bathu bo imba ngama ono dalisa ba imbi that's when our feel ba chiboto imba rodala ba imbi bomrepa akuliwa
chi bakho repa nyana zwizwi phala na phala nabe ba imbi
bomrepa bodumo ndi ba house ama piano pro kid to finye venda chifinye root kid root kid to rap goosebot or rap ndibomrepa streamer baba kuimba athi ka house but ndibone bomrepa bosala wena ngatoriya unlike nama magenga ngana bone badia to gore ndikale bokumoto nja project fully full on
and then nindi last album kana there's more coming
ingasibe last album I think the dobanda buya futhi chemtuko
nicho kwa ka 40
ndidori chanchifara 40
osara mingwa mingani
ndizana 4 years ndifara 40
hayi kadiba jambo
ndichana chipinga
jambo ngavisa ntika mbili probably
ndifunga zoto dependa ka reception ya bathu uri bakutoda muzika hani then mara album ikade ndikatiyo pesa ndosika noncha album yanga yofesa dotoba family
and then also in terms of wamba bathu vena nkodziyambori bathu vena kwambori va receive sana muzika so do you ever engage with people on the streets bathu vakambori like we like your music in terms of this but then if you can correct this and this ringaufuna more even there's that
utoba problem utoshisa bathu man bathu vanje abadivi zvino vakutoda last ndobuya na ndichigungulira ofendishumisa sauto tune zvakare zvaswinga bo 2016 before ndichincha African Vibration album zvang affecta ngumanda ndichikuita ilana album ndazamo limit nyana auto tune mara ichivela na album people loved it yopusha ngamanda dzi sales ngoraka dharangisa ngadzi hard disk straight but bathu mwamba uri barofela unga mixing one voice yes ngoto ima the way what mara ndoncha auto tune okay ndikubuyisa auto-tune futhi and whatsoever vafisi ndiyo valamurapa vao
Badanga auto-tune.
auto-tune
Niweke-
hey vana vasho ungazidoza uri khotoda mini but right now there's certain people vene ndazidoza ndi mafenanga ubva murahu ndiyavavona kafacebook ubva kana musi ndisikontsha vava vahone vava ukadhiyamba ri khotoda muzika upyo ni khotoda muzika vambudza uri no vafisi vone vakudiyesa afrobeat too much avavuye kaven rap straight vakuimbesa nanga chikhuwa nga maanḓa at least avaimbe nga idzi dzilani dze va vachidiya dzone mini hence album iya zvino ndo focusesa too much ka van rap straight ndo shumisa na dzi producers dza van rap nda kono no imba nda kho to imba ka Tshivenḓa most of the time. I think it's probably 2 or 3 songs dzine na vho ndo ita na English nyana but majority ndi Tshivenḓa.
Okay, before we go to the last thing in our game, I wanted to ask you, I saw Distro is your distributor. So, what about the problem with Minka's distributor? Because I've heard a lot of people were complaining about album as over Mizo had the same problem. Also, Metro had the same problem recently. Kaile, Visa, they has Spotify page. Not track the whole. I think it was an EP and album. Because I'm was on you go GHP or so. But what great I mean comes in when Nishman.
Actually, they cover feeling this go feel longer. Ndizvo zvilano zva management nga murahu na Vision tiba kushumisa Vision Music Vision Active Music
Vision Music
Vision Music I think ndizvo zvila zori akoditwa dzi deal nga murahu they have to sign send dzinyimbo and whatsoever ndivanga ndizvo zva delay yawo but ka side ya DistroKid na ya Metro chidivi uri ngavo mini DistroKid sometimes ya reject if arando isa track za 15 na unaona track and ine yavori yorichisiwa ya rejectwa nga Apple Store maybe based on quality or whatsoever.
I was about to ask that reject in terms of what?
Maybe quality or format over the way or whatsoever. Kana album cover thangwe ina something chine yavori dzi stores dzimwe dzitende. Ngori arali abona something chino ngo promote or something no veka dzi album cover na mini they are rejected dzimwe dzi stores to a point ina yavori ido uya mara yo reject album yote. Inina sana na vanhu sa check every day ndo sanchizibona 7 days late or I go ila need to wise because nje jana one yo reject kuto incha ndi upload food another 5 days to almost 2 weeks or even food ndizone zone za worry problem mara swezo zothe swifixiwa nga musi nina
management no hands on
una muthu no deal nezo zwithu straight ena vuri to deal no distribution uniya zidori ndo ita muzika ndo fedza co music ola mushumo wa ḓivha zori ndiko tiyo uyanda dela na vonyoro ve on chisari chiri the date na wanga I think simple not trova na management dina vhathu vene nda vori ndi shuma na una va cash ndi doka graphic
vakudo shuma na
nazo vato dila nazo music wise choosing or nyimbo dzifio na mini ndikuitisana na va G chinkhoni ndo dzura naye ramba ambozo ra va fizi track yetu kefila a feature ila na va inche abajenise nyenye so
uri wabviswa muthu ono recorder feature adiro mangala
no niyamubudza ati muthu no nga surprise
fa basa ndisichokela verse
no ne ndi muthu olani and artists are venda njidzi ya off ozwithu vashuma ngezilo zo ignore arali thango fizi ndo mupa track and atisiko no ignore I decide uri la track achaita chitu asambuza uri khotanga nini ne ndiyamba na muthu straight and prefer no muthu ndiyamubudza ari nisiko ifila la track kana nisiko fila verse yanga mbudzeni ndobulusa kana afani ngofila ra bafizi abari ndijenise nyi ndi sharp nazo ndi understand
at least nombuza ani ngosikontsiya muyani
singozibona nene muthu anabo ndi straight forward zimwe zitreke ndi todobulusa na imwe nofi muthu wa bathu una mumfethi wa recorder huko ene muno dombudza re ndo recordela huko mara tikofila the way ndikofila nga ela ni treke abamphengu track ndamudito idobulusa neyothe ngane munhu la track
amopa yona
ene ndamuncha ndayijenisa hune ndo imbo ndinthi ka track yothe and he's okay with it ndomnje sakhe with track risharp everything was transparent mara artists nje bashabamba
hey
zwino na vana delegation it becomes way too simple na album yanga 2 weeks before no not 2 weeks a week before rozono ibe date or iko valid you know submit you ready ndo ndere chito 12 midnight 17
ya jen
iko over simple just straightforward but why don't worry
what chain what but the good akaviyo very kareni on okay so let's go into the game I want us to play one must go
okay
androvono zora ane pese game kuni pa mauti maviri ina nangoro ikatuwe then ko start naona so between CJ na MJ who's going
McJ has to go. CJ ndiligalanga. Ndiligalanga ndochila nalo ngama.
What do you think of music wa McJ na?
Music wa McJ blind. Utobori
visuals.
Both na CJ vachita swoswi.
Yeah.
No, visuals at to understand that riamba zvezo ka phone here and there mara atli vera dzura to ambori. Ukuite yamini. Why visuals have been this song? Me vana vari mini.
The explicit mama
like at face isine nana musi ati zvi understand. McJ na ndi handi out yanga rochera. Na track yenda ita na ito uri unfortunately yasingajeni ka album. It's a nice song. But yeah, too Afrobeat and then go for long as the Daresa. It do dilute albums.
So the visa single probably.
Yeah, or maybe in the next project or whatever. But Trakea it does. Yeah, CJ nene CJ ndo chela ndo mu big CJ. Album yo thoma eva zondan zwanga. If kwamba bototi Trakeza lazina bathu baba kuzidi bazasikuitwa ngani.
Oh.
The beats and everything na mixing album yatekitwa ngani. Na cover yote yoitwa ngani. So that's when called CJ mtukana wanjerere. Rochera rota.
Okay, azambo kushima yezo zoruba.
Yakushuma ko shuma kare.
And then Jinkon na MSK.
Jinkon obvious. Obvious. Mara MSK nene ndilinigalanga ngamanda
Mara linigalanga la kuma nilipiyo.
Ni Jinkon. Jinkon ndi out
ya. So manjipodisa.
Jinkon anabathu batuzdiwa na mafena yazdiwa. So shinaso ka comment wa doko tuzjambora Jinkon batuzdiwa it's obvious. Nambomba isa khona Jinkon na cash. It was going to be weird.
Okay, yeah, cash do then song war.
Okay.
And then for me, Mizofil na bamba.
Hey. I think in the gari not the relationship yanga na feel or a guy since they do the show ara niches the so
now.
No, the combat since sungazoba actually it was before no raps were full in mini na no pay no show do the show and whatsoever.
Yeah.
I just do one or two na mizo to amba and whatsoever. So the gari who started bamba mizo must go, but based only on Nori bamba if longer on pay very way on a mainstream level.
Yeah.
Nga tusani na ntakuseni. I was not need your rembe na regardless of stable rote because he was up there. Nana sort of artist nje.
Okay.
So yeah, and got bamba sare. Because till today,
Ukadiwa
zika the relevant zezilanga nthani oria ndo imba na bamba naye. Oita impact naye kazi nyimbo zangu.
Okay. And then you spoke of uri not fane bakoni gatekeeper na mini sort of uvara na mini batho bathendo oti would you say ngandre na kozama ngontomba ngabo mizo kamzi batho bane abanya kuita zvinhu zvitu, but then you spoke of promoters also that thendo uri azinya kuita ndizipe promoters zone because we don't even know these people mara batho bathendo
no mizo amba nganda mizo athibona ngiyono ba
or you just don't have a relationship.
Yeah, nditwa ndisina relationship
yeah
to say mizo no ita anything that I know of breakisa somewhere I don't know.
Yeah,
but the promoters man ndikari hani not faces no perform. I think njere ndinenda no performance beside bo but bononga bo slender bazwini thango ndibona yena ku performance thando and so on. Around that time ka crew to bo CJ uJinkon bo Cash, everyone was big around that time of Venda onjere o performance onje thando ndine ngondo perform bote bo Kabal ndo perform na msichivuchi da zwino na mini Marshall ndo no ya 2010 ndo perform alonjisa throughout everywhere but zwino maybe it's because already are shato ba relevant the way we used to be maybe before. Compared to the artists in zabaone zwino basiko feel longa ona need or rebukiwe even if usinne not ko rebukwe fees every artist yenjelele the only artists are blind sanjelele
who's worth it urabukiwe thendo anena komumbula from the top of your head.
No unabo TP baone uslender girl nawone bakadiba worth it uri babukiwe throughout everywhere ngori ukapick na sharp.
And she's getting the gigs in, I think.
I think she's the only one in our who could perform.
Yeah.
So you know, mutona bora sara ne una utina fi bude ndio ati there was on them divana. Ndisku dibor ati and guys the promoter is not a promoter, he's a booking agent.
Oh.
Because the problem vendor no confuse a promoter na booking agent. It's just a booking agent. Ndiye na kubuka I think new us. What wa ambor ndi gatekeeper I don't know ngandirade. But from my side, yeah, I don't know the one experience maybe khore u khou nṱoḓa soko to amba zwiṱakatshaka zwa u sa make sense but
so make sense as in tshelede
yes a tshi khou amba unga SF unga ni vha ni sa deserve tshelede na khomba yona or whatsoever or something like that yena na ga re ndo no to clash naye on that but other than that athi ḓivhi uri vhulelu ndi nnyi athi ḓivhi zori Marshall ndi nnyi vho News Cafe athi ḓivhi zori ndi nnyi dzi booking agent za hone but are bookiwe the side so what I'm just saying ndi uri mini instead you book at the same people ufana na zwine nṋe njele right zwone hu fhethu ndo nga mandisi kana kwa Max kana Guy kana vho News or wherever ni ḓo wana obizwa Ramsey obizwa kana Proid kana obizwa any artist wa Venrap o abiziwa because or he's an artist and is still active they know uri muthu u khou pusha zwamba uri ra rumoviza u ḓo ḓi vhona fan base ine ya vha ri khou mufuna that's what we do njele I'd like or at least na Thohoyandou na Western I think slowly nyana iko thoma generate because it's still new when it comes to bo highway na bo yellow villages I think it's not 2 years or so they're still new so I feel like or ndi zwone zwine zwa vhori zwi khou breakisa dzi artists nji if all artists singava all rounder instead yo re to book at the same people last week ro vha ri nanyi for the whole year ku bookwa vhathu vhathihi ndi zwone zwono sia uchinga na dzi gatekeeping kuzibona yeah
okay and then last one will be Metro CMG na Dolph ni muthu ane no pusha nga tshifhinga chaye Metro muthu ane no kupusha zwino naye so which one must go
Adolf nene abendo va na relationship naye ro pusha nga manda na Metro ndilinika langa Metro ndi amo favor nga manda mara Adolf achava active kha muzika so ndikari Metro ndi ene khou sala Adolf must go yeah ngori Metro man ndi adala Metro ndi ene na uri u to vhori zwa zwino nene u khou thoma venture in different avenues za music that's what you ita na piano but Metro ndi ene na tshi ḓivha uri Venda
mara over acha ḓo over nga ḓo vheta zwo zwa dzi piano
atiamba ati zwino u kha label so ni to thetshelesa uri dzi advice za vhathu vhane vha khou ni vhudza nga tsini I feel like it's good or at least nene muna za mo check uri ngafha ri nga ita na or label nayo ni nyago ita tshelede
yeah true
and ri nga si dzule ri khou focus on ite hip hop phase so zamani ni ite na some other things and I'm happy uri u khou zama neno try something else something different
and it's working out because I do listen to you also
ngizibona so now mungwe na mungwe kona umthetshelesa ngizibona so I feel like it's good for him right so Adolf nguma nguma kale nguma 2 years or 3 years back
for ushima ndini wa mgodini
I think ushima mine or something like that
ramba Metro
I think ushima mine no but Adolf chine chikolo Adolf naye
okay
I think una degree or something so
nice but untewezo zwo zvavipa ari koshavela fhethu so
no zvitoiva so to jena chikolo risiko jena chikolo iyi nichisvika KJ zavo rinedzi music avachatova fully na toria so nitova na something to fall back on
and then the album where can people stream it in closing rich kovara ngani
album iko ona la hotha everywhere just search Fizzy to Fab friends and family honestly got friends and family Fizzy
it does pop up
it's simple it's just straightforward anyway ikazota auna nathi ngoita izvo fi streaming chip yatiwo na hotha ndiona na umwe so nisikotoriza if ara nikobva poriza 15 tracks at the same time then 2 or 5 tracks ni relax then the next day ni touches the others and so on so ngoshabumbudza feedback ni ambudza vafizela ntraka vafizela traka tikome first zoro ita ya mino why wimba so andibudza zwo dinthusa
and then visual ko tumudza IP track
visuals arari ko buzo ferite bam kana ndi happy mari ndi happy muthu enda feature Messina we'll see na Riafana inde na Asati but we'll see between those 5 tracks are from track 1 to track 5 go to it 1 or 2 songs from there
and then contact details if maybe budela konyago ni buka zvino kana
budela utombuka budela was the worry unjelela ofara njelela fala ni zvino ndiye na thengo fara nyuwa ukuthi uri buka ma kana buke machitanga
so
na wasika buki na una problem
at least muthu anini ngadiyema kana afutaka uri roya mjita wanga
ta buke wachi riko buku wanga vathu ngabo ndika vathu varasi vanjelela vone vena ku buka throughout mara abuke mumwe na mumwe majita odala njelelo no dia abiziwa the performer and phone number dzanga ndi 0743588855 atina problem phone eliwa or whatsoever anything
vachifona kuvhurwa kaini straight aunofimini
no nne ndito the negotiator then if arali una zvimwevo ndina vasika vakadita vachintuza naimwa kuti yanofisika isarari murere ova amanager wanga from 2012 till today rikadhitusana here and there is that onova na business zvimwe but ndiyene navo ri waita achizama zamofarafara panapala but mostly so easy wansara kholo man ndikasizvipendara mine ngori chimwe chifhinga ndari uniambe namumwe mutu ungawana wini nichindiva and nichiwamba namumwe mutu anidhivi ini nachiurikondisa here
nafikashika une ratoita ringasichakona kuita
ngozvanotoita ngavorini to the direct ntombudza chimwe chifhinga rikadza mahala angori redhivo ri limwe dhiva ndontusanga mini kana vuchiro ndizvezvo
Fizzy, thanks for coming, man.
Ndoliwesa.
Opujesa makroth man. Ndikale man. Ubva 2014 izvino nikadhivaone nazvino.
Kadhivaone nazvino.
Yeah, so are the padre opuja vizika watu. And then also kavewe nokonosvika pano and also thanks a lot. You know I always appreciate you nane. I'm gonna do this album you appreciate. What do I got support? So I really appreciate what you're doing for the network also. Push and arine. Also go stream this album. Nifechimwana chimwe nipe retina muntu uteudzwa wangobva hai azvikobva zvo that's ari kukonoreta mwana mumwe vanokukwata pakwata mara rine ramba opinion yacho so anoipfa ni rate and then also if there's anything china kunyange chiita pano podcast mini studio Panda Studios ione on 010-023-2939 or info@pandastudios.com and then to the sponsor chashu MR21 we appreciate you veyona kunyange mwana zvibugwana nami inenge mungamodotowa eventually nani abeni kwalo
ndakojokubusa ngori ndina sponsor ndicha funeral
insurance ngotori funeral afeedzi
funeral
but bawafanira funeral
ndakojokubusa zolori nonoyana na jana anepo vitoni avaiti tumbo
zvaiti watindi washimangazo
wachiti
ndobona mabhokisi
ati kwa mabhokisi
zvitumbu timtu nazvitumbu atizvitode zvinhu ngaamanda if vari ndikuona chitumbu kana vakanzela sponsorship zvambori retorotoma rawana chinhu ori chitumbuniwa but then yeah, you can contact them also on 015-151-0251 or 0252 nidhive zvozvothe zori zvichimirisane eventually dhonipa dzipamphlet dzine dzavana dziprice dzote nadziona kascreen zviitisana so ndine I'll see you on the next one bye.
Sure